Hi, I'm Webb Beagle from Keen on the Market. I'm here to talk to you about the MarketWebs and how you can use them to kind of get ahead of the news that even comes out on big stocks. Today we're going to talk about Yelp. It's the middle of the day right now as I record this. And Yelp just came out with news. The CEO said that they're no longer looking for anyone to buy them. And Yelp has moved from opening the week somewhere in the high 43s and is now trading at 37.5, a huge move to the downside. And using the MarketWebs, we can kind of get ahead of this. And how that works is because the MarketWebs are actually looking at what the overall market is doing, anyone who may know something, okay, in the market will influence what the MarketWebs see. Okay, so what we find here, in particular on Yelp, which is kind of unique, notice on the 5-minute and here 5-minute chart and on the daily chart and also on the weekly chart, there are targets that exist outside of the value areas. On Yelp, on the 1 hour, this is looking at the MarketWebs for the week. Notice that the targets are the downside targets are really tight around the bottom of value, where the upside targets are pretty wide to the upside. Starting the week below value with no downside targets, and the targets would be acting as support. There actually was no support in Yelp this week. As we started the week below value and got a short signal on the weekly value areas, there was something being portended about what may be coming out this week in Yelp. And what we have is a short signal there at the beginning of the week. This is the first hour bar on Monday saying go short. And it kind of didn't do much all week, but didn't come up. It had no support levels, no resistance levels below value. And then, of course, today we have the huge sell-off. Where the sell-off went, we can actually see support on this target Venom line. And it's actually the very last one on the day. So where if I went short, and I was short maybe from the beginning of the day on Monday, or even if I took the short signal this morning, which was around 41.98, 42, my target would be absolutely the last Venom line. I wouldn't have any other targets below. And that's where we hit after the stock was halted and opened back up. And that's where we're finding support now. So I would be using these Venom lines as my targets for Yelp to the downside. And notably, the MarketWebs actually saw this coming before the news actually hit. So if you're interested in getting the MarketWebs, getting ahead of the news, getting hints about I should be short, I should be long, notice on the daily, on the swing trade level, the short said, the MarketWebs said get short on the, let's see, this was the 29th of June on this bar trading in a range between 44.37 and 42.45. And it was absolutely right ahead of time. So hope you like it. Check out the link below in the comments, and it comes with video, mentoring videos, about 6 hours of video to help you learn how to use it, how it all works, what it's looking at. But the MarketWebs are an incredibly powerful trading tool. So check out the link in the comments, and hope you enjoy. This is Webb Beagle for Key on the Market. Thanks very much.